Hello guys, I've got a 2007 Subaru B9 Tribeca, and today we're going to show you how you can change drain and refill of the rear differential. It's pretty rusty, and just going to go ahead and try to drain and refill that. The kit that I use to remove the drain plug is this kit right here. And the size that we're going to use is 10. That's what it looks like. And then to take it out, we're going to use 11. This got two different sizes, 11 and 10. But the 10 is the one that goes into the drain plug. It's 11. I did spray a little bit of lubricant just because it's rusty and I was having a hard time putting it in. But now with this should be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my ratchet. And I'm gonna get my oil pan, to catch the fluid that's gonna come out. There you go. Actually, set this right here for now. And go ahead and drain this. Wow, that's pretty nasty. Look at that, it's thick, it's dirty, and the color of it is not that great either. So let's let this drain. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the other plug here. Okay, one thing I was gonna mention is I tried to put my size 10, which is the same size that I used for the bottom drain plug, and that did not go in the top one where you can refill your fluid. So I got the size 9, as you can see here, 9 and 8, and looks like 9 is the right size here. I believe the top one is smaller. So now I need to get the socket 8. Alright, and this is 8, and now get my ratchet. And let's remove this. And again, let this drain, take its time, and let's get this out. Oh, this is so it looks like it was just rusty, so I take that back. It looks like just because the rust, my size 10 was not going in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my size 10 again. Sometimes you can't predict and know exactly if it's got some accumulation of rust. But I'm gonna get my size 10 again here and see if I can push it in. Yeah, it looks like now it may go in, but I need to just tap on it a little bit here. see if I can just kind of push it in slowly. So I put it in, it's pretty tight in there just because the rust accumulation. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my socket back in. And let's see here. Let's see, let's give this another try here. Wow. All right, let's give this one more try here. It's got a lot of rust here. And make sure my ratchet is straight. Wow. Just got it. That was a nightmare. Ratchet here for a sec. The reason why I'm removing the top one, just in case for you guys that out there that don't know, is that's where I'm going to be refilling my fluids in. And I'm going to actually give this a few more minutes and until it drains out completely, and I'll show you what the next steps are. Okay, so it looks like it started dripping really slowly now, so we're looking good. And we're going to put the drain plug back in, the bottom one. Alright, so we put the bottom one in, and now we're going to put the top one. This is the bottom. Actually, not quite yet, sorry. We need to fill it first. So we're going to tighten this in. We'll put this aside. Just tie it up. Is it good? And now this is the fun part here. It's actually not too bad. To refill this, I've actually came up with my own little tubing here. Some people have the small pumps, and I do have that, but since this is not too bad to refill, you can easily just twist this or tilt it this way and start squeezing until you see it start dripping from here. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start. Oh, by the way, it does use 1.7 pint. Every 2 pints equals to 1 quart. In our case, it's gonna be 0.85 quarts. So that's a little bit less than a quart. If you don't want to go by measurements, you can just start filling this out until you see it dripping. So what I do, I start squeezing. And I actually use my other hand, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a sec. So I filled it and it started dripping. I need to add a little more. It is dripping, but slowly. I need to add a little more. I just wanted to show you this part. Okay, this is what I want here. It's dripping right there, and that's what I like to see. In fact, I can add a little more. Okay, that's pretty good right there. Actually, I decided to add a little more. I wasn't liking how it was dripping. It wasn't too much, but I'll show you exactly where you need to put this plug in. As soon as it starts slowing down, I think it is safe to put it now, but I think I'm gonna wait a little bit. Okay, this is good. As you can see, it's getting really thin. This is safe. Alright folks, that's it for this video. I'm gonna tighten this drain plug in, and we're done. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.